Hi, and welcome back to KB We're Saving 101. And of course, I am KB, Kim Baker. So, I'm going to get right into the haul video. This one, I'm adding a little bit of stuff that I still have to list from other things, and we have people in the house clearing the closet, so lots of different items. This is one of the first ones. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is vintage. It is Tess Paris Milan, and Real to Real had one of these up. So I just had a very large success selling one of my J. Peterman skirts, which I listed for like 150, offered to senders, and I got a sale of 120, so I made $94 on that item. Love it. So this one I'm going to go ahead and try before I decide to send it off to Real, because that Peterman skirt only sold in 2 weeks, so love it. All right, now this one is vintage. This happens to be my daughter's. I got it for her, I think, when she was like in 6th grade. So I definitely know it's vintage since she's 23 now. And it is a nice colored bears jacket with a patch on it. I have to do some research. It is so vintage. I'm not joking when I say that. Like, the pockets are like almost see-through. There's no holes, but they're see-through. And when I washed it, I literally like held the tag to it. And anyway, I'll be listing that. Oh, there's another patch on the, oh no, that's the same patch. Anyway, and I believe it is a large. So that one's going to be going in the closet. Next, I had this one. I had a stain, so this was part of my stain removal. So it doesn't get necessarily listed when I do all the things right away. So it's a high-low, little like tunic blouse by Miss Me, and it's a size small. Okay. Now, I have some more cachet. My silver disco shirt sold within, I think, a day. So this happens to be really cute. You can see the print. It's like a leather there too, with the leopard print in this front. Okay, really simple. It is a size small, but since that one did very well, I can't wait to list these. This one again had a little stain issue, so I went through and removed it, and it is a cachet. And this one is an extra small, but it's got this like faux suede zipper up, and look at all those holes. I think that's very funky. Long sleeve knit, so it's almost like a sweater jacket. Very adorable. Can't wait to list that one. Okay, and these are Gap Modern Boot, 4 long. So I've got these. Okay, so the boot, see how it's wider? So when you fold your little, let's see if I can do this, right up like that, it's wider at the knee or at the bottom hem than it is at the knee. So you know it's either a wide cut, boot cut, flare, whatever. All right, this one actually is new with tags. It's a size small, it's LuLaRoe, and no, I didn't buy it. It's actually like one of the items somebody gave me, because I do love animal print, but I don't know. It seemed a little kind of grandma-ish to me. Sorry. I don't know. Maybe I just am not funky enough. I'm not big on the fringe. So, but it's leopard, it's sheer. So yes, it's something that I normally would with like a open waterfall front and that bottom, but it's new with tags, so hopefully that'll still do well and sends animal prints in. Now this one is adorable. I had gotten these, I went to a not Goodwill. St. Vincent's opened up near me, and in Illinois, they were fantastic. They had 4 color tags that were always on special, and 1 color tag was always 25 cents. Boy, do I miss Illinois shopping, because that was fantastic. I wish I would have resold back then. Anyway, so this is really cute. And I have to go through, it's a large 14-16 I'm thinking that, I don't know if it's kids or if it's women's, but it's a flannel with this cute little lace up in the front. Also, look at that. The Beatles! Isn't that cute? So I think that'll do well. I just have to figure out if it's a kids or an adults. So it fits me, but I don't think I'm a 14, 16 an adult. So I'm thinking it's kids. Not sure. Anyway, but I have put on weight, so who knows? Let's see. This is Dance Skin Now Yoga, and it's an extra large 16-18, and it's just a very basic, and it's a dry more tech. There we go. Now you can see it with the built-in shelf bra top. This one is Jones of New York, signature, size 10. And I had, I don't remember what brand it was, but I had a little safari dress in my store earlier this year, and it sold within days. So this has got that safari look to it. It's got this drawstring, 3/4 sleeves. So it's really super cute. In fact, do they roll? Because they have the button there. Let's see. They do. So they'll roll up. That'll be a cute style. So I think that'll do well. And is it anything special? I don't think it is. As far as material goes, I don't believe it is. All right, my next piece I got is this one. It's an O'Neill. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? So O'Neill's like a sports brand. So I don't know if this was like a swimsuit cover-up or just a little play dress, but it is absolutely adorable. I love this color. I love the crinkle material. So very boho-ish, and I think that will do extremely well. Very simple piece here. Oh, so my St. Vincent's here, they just opened up, but they are running some specials. So whenever you go into any of your resale shops or any of your shops, period, get on their mailing list or ask them what days they have specials and find out, because you never know. This one is Jennifer Lopez. And so it's a 2X, very nice, large, flowy size, but I like the colors. It's just really kind of simple. Funky, I love funky. Wait till you see some of my really good hauls. All right, I have, this is Doc and Amelia by Quintanas. Yep, size 12. And so it's like a skirt. And it is super cute for athletics. Great tennis skirt. I love skirts, so. Oh, and it feels wonderful. So that one I think will do very well. This brand I don't think I've ever heard of. Let's see. Verve Amy? I don't know. See this little tag? It's an 1X. There you go. Can you see it? And it's just a little plain t-shirt, short sleeves there, but it has cinching in the back and it has that cute little cutout in the front. It is a high-low. So again, it's going to be like one of those little tunic styles. So great with leggings and whatnot. I'm sure that'll do fabulous. On to, this one is Ecot. All right, it is a size, what size are you? Medium, size medium, and it's a cardigan, striped, and it's got the open front, no buttons or anything, but it does have pockets. I think everything should have pockets. I am always losing my phone because nothing I wear has pockets. I need some skirts with pockets, I need some dresses with pockets, and I need some jackets with some pockets, please. So, and it's got a little different print and through the back, and you can see your little pockets are right here on the side. So nice knit, good for this cooler weather that's coming towards us. And last but not least, told you I'm going to try to keep it fast and simple. Happens to be Soft and Sexy by American Eagle Outfitters, medium. Now, the thing is that of course I got this piece Absolutely super adorable. It's like a little dress, long sleeve, could be worth leggings. It's got this open crisscross in the front. The sleeves have like a little balloon style to them because they got the elastic. And my daughter just asked, Mom, do you have anything for fall? So unfortunately, I don't know if this piece will make it to my closet, but those are things I have for you this week. And it was a very small little mini haul, and that's about it. So, hey, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, you can give me a thumbs down. Do me a favor. I would love to hear who's watching the videos. If it's clients looking for clothes or if it's other resellers, because that way I know what kind of information to be given out. And anyway, I hope to see you again soon. Please hit the subscribe button. That'll help me out. And later.